Santa Fe is the most modern district in Mexico City. Almost all of it was built within the last 25 years. This major business district is drastically different from surrounding areas, especially its historical city center. It is in the western part of Mexico City. In the 1990s, the Mexican government developed Santa Fe's ultra-modern business district. Surprisingly, this central business district was built on the remains of an old landfill. Today, many international and Mexican headquarters are located here. In addition, Santa Fe has towering skyscrapers and lavish apartments. In the following decades, Santa Fe advanced really fast. Its enchanting culture combined with its elegant modernity contribute to a boom in the business and population. It's no surprise that this glamorous international business district attracts young, talented local and foreign professionals. In the beginning of 2000, Santa Fe got a lot of attention because of its ultra-modern architecture and the lavish lifestyle of its residents. For example, some residents travel by helicopter. Skyscrapers have helipads that helicopters can land on, and the owners can go directly to their penthouses from the roof. The price of the most basic apartment in one of these buildings starts at $500,000, and it can cost more depending on the accessories. Santa Fe is an international business district, which is why it looks like a ghost town at night and on weekends. The 100 square meters park La Mexicana is located parallel to Santa Fe. La Mexicana alone make up 6,200 square meters of it. It also has clean blue ponds. There is no metro train in Santa Fe, but there are other ways to get there. You can take a taxi, a bus or a car. However, driving in a car in Mexico City can be very time-consuming due to traffic jams. Furthermore, many of the roads are often under construction, which makes driving on these congested roads even more complicated. We experienced this heavy traffic firsthand, and by the time we had arrived in Santa Fe, it was raining hard, so we didn't walk too long in Santa Fe Park. Living in Santa Fe is comfortable because all your daily needs are really close and convenient. Each cache block in Santa Fe has its own gym, swimming pool, gardens, cafes, and other places to feel cozy.